So okay, hi there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome in the next video in the Mortal Kombat series, game writing series. And in this video I will be pretty much guiding you through the implementing the arena and making the arena or map, if you want, more enjoyable and really better. I have found a arena I would like to make. It is really awesome. I really like it. So I mute the music. It's a triple helix uploaded this video, which is pretty cool. So you might check it out then, and you just see how the map looks like. And it's not visible here maybe, but pretty much sometimes a train passes by. So there are like random events, and sometimes, for example, a phone is ringing, which is pretty cool. So I will show you. I lost like 3 hours making the sprites, and because taking the sprites out of the game was quite impossible, so I created my own game, but my own sprites, but few of them I just implemented them from the Mortal Kombat 9. So let's have a look at the idea. I will have to find here some picture to explain you my idea. Yeah, so let's have a look at this picture. So this picture, in this picture we've got here the map. Alright, so we will draw the map in several ways. We will have several images. So if the train passes by, the background here you see really far away, the really far away wall there will not be visible because of the train, but those pylons will be visible because they will be in front of the train, as well as the here the floor and the heroes, and of course the life and everything. So this will be drawn in different layers. We will need different pictures. So my idea was to have a picture for the background that will be drawn at the first place. Then will be drawn picture for train, and if the train will not be passing by, obviously then nothing will be drawn. Then will be drawn the floor with the pylons and maybe some other shits, and that will be pretty much it. So yeah, I will close this. No. Yeah. So I will show you the pictures I pretty much did so far. I've got here a one picture. Please notice that the width and the height of the picture is pretty much the same as the resolution of the game, because this is quite important as well. If I go to game 1, you see that I've got here a whole window rectangle, a resolution. This resolution will not be changed, and if so, then pretty much the life and everything will be quite screwed up. I mean the life drawing, because I set their values that I found out experimentally to set the exact nice right location. Instead of this, if for example user would like to have it in full screen, we will just have to go to graphics manager and write here a full screen and apply the changes. Everything will be done for you, and nothing will be pretty much no texture will be changed. It will be just stretched. All textures, all drawing will be stretched to fit the resolution of the pretty much full screen. So I am already making the pictures in this resolution. You might say that this is maybe stupid, but if you think about it, why to do it in another resolution? if we know that the resolution will not change, and I would make it a little bit in different ratio, it will then be screwed up, the texture. It will be maybe wider, it will be yeah, and so on. So this is the texture that will be drawn at the first place. This is the background, really. You see that it looks pretty stupid and quite strange, but what you will see only will be here, this, and the top. Yes, and now I realize that I did a mistake. Okay, so I have to change it. Sorry, I have to change it. So Subway actual, and for the background, pretty much this. So for the background, we will draw the wall, which is here with the cracks and so on. So the wall, and also the floor, because no, what the hell I'm talking here? As the background image, we'll draw the wall only, and there are some well, white places. I will fix it later. It will not be visible anyways. So we will draw the wall, and that will be pretty much all, in my opinion. Yes, and I'm now confused because okay, so what I meant here in the background. Yes, so this. Alright, 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 alright. So I have to find it. Please give me a second. Wow, god damn it. Yeah, that's it. Nice. So what I will be drawing is pretty much this, and that's everything. Like this will be drawn in the next step. So this will be the background. So save it as PNG and save it as the background. I know it looks stupid, but you will see how I meant it. I promise. Well, hopefully. So, the background, which is this one, will be drawn at the really beginning as the first texture. Then will be drawn a train, if it will be there, which is this. You see, it is already positioned. It's also same width, same height, and also the position is exactly set. So we just have to draw that. Nothing really else, and change the location, of course. So this is the advantage of making the sprites not a spreadsheet. I can't imagine someone would make a spreadsheet for this. I'm sorry. Well, then will be drawn a layer 2, which will be over it. And you see here is a floor, the pylons, yeah, and here is the top, really. And that should create pretty much the arena. So, just have a look in it. We've got here arena manager, and we load arena. Here was a texture 2D texture. And now, here comes the quite important thing that in another arenas, we would like to have more layers or less layers. So for this we should use a params, and the load arena will be quite important, so it may be divided into a few voids. So in arena manager we have list of all arenas, arena here. So here is the health drawn and so on. We will make here a list of textures. So public list of texture, texture layers, and these will be layers in order as they go. So for example, at the index 0 there will be the layer that is drawn, really the first one, and index 1 then will be the next one, next one, next one, and so on. So those are the texture layers. And here is the initialize, screw that, initialize health for both players, I guess. What is it? Why is it twice here? Why is it twice here? I don't get it. Wow. Well, so we create a new arena here, and we would like to add here the layers. So go to arena, and we will make here a new void, new method, add a layer. So public void add layer. So here will be just sorry. So here will be just a texture to the texture, which will represent the layer. Nothing really hard. And please notice that the X and Y will be automatically 0, 0, and width and height is already done. So we don't have to worry about anything. So we add a layer, we add it to texture layers. So this, he will add a initializer just to and quickly add the texture, and off we go. But now imagine that we want to make the special event. Well, first of all, I will just try to add the layer and make it really nice code. You see here is the health that will be put later on into a class maybe, so I get rid of it. So here add layer and the texture. So now we have here the load arena, and let's put here a string arena name, which we've got here already, and there we will have here the params, because we don't really know how much layers will how much layers will we have. So params texture 2D and make an array of them, textures, or maybe name it layers. That's really good. So params layers, and now we will add them. So for each texture 2D t in layers or layer, we will add the t, pretty much, not the drink but the t, like ladder. Well, so that's it, and we've got it. The textures are loaded, the display name is displayed, well, it's not displayed, but doesn't matter. So now go to arena and pacify the code here. You see here is the health stuff, which took me a hell of a lot of time. So make a class for it, class health, because there is a question where to draw that, but I think the arena class is suitable for it, because in player we are drawing on a player animation, so I don't want to really mess with it. So class health, and class health. So what we are gonna do, it's just really simple, just put all of these, so health, everything that pretty much corresponds with health will be in here. Of course, dozens of errors, I know. So initialize right health, actualize left health, and x, y. Yes. So off we go. Done. And we will be pretty much ready to go. But here is a update method, so I will make here as well update the health, which will really update the health according to the health that player has. Obviously we will just put here this code which did the health, and this may be deleted, and we have to call it, so I call it now, so health dot update. Why I can't update it? Oh, yeah, it's a not static, so make here a reference, so have um name it health class, make it better. Health class health is new health class. So now it might be done, so health dot update. So health is updated, and we also need to draw that, so shouldn't be big deal. Just copy the code. Yeah, the texture and everything is already, yeah, this is the background, yeah, this is the health, and the head icon, that's also important. So put it in the health draw and close those legends. So now first draw the health, so it doesn't really matter what you do first. Yeah, it does. God damn it. It does. It must be, health must be drawn at the last, yeah, because it must be overall, pretty much. So now just go through the layers. Well, we've got problem here. Initialize, yeah. So I should initialize the health. So put the I am in a health class, so wow, what is wrong? Health Y doesn't exist. It's here. So shut up. Wow, what the, hey, this is sick. Maybe it should be public? But why? I'm accessing it from the class. Wow. It does not exist. Shut up. It is here. You blind ass. Wow. Wow. Are you? Yeah, maybe this because it's private, but it shouldn't matter. Wow. Maybe public? Are you kidding me? Wow, this never happened to me. Oh. Yeah, I know. The initialize is not in the health class. I'm blind. I was curious what the fuck is going on here. Yeah, I have to put it here. So yeah, initialize, and yeah, that happens. And here also initialize, which d d d d d. Well, the x and y should be for the health. So here will be just blank initialize. So here load arena, no one cares. Here when we initialize, we will initialize the health. Whoa, it's not visible? Are you kidding me? Must be fucking public. Who cares? No. Oh. What? Here. Yes, it must be public. God damn it. It's pissing me off. Oh, come on. So when we load, yeah, current arena dot health dot initialize. So what's wrong? Yeah, it's not visible again. So it's what? It's public. So yeah. So the health is, yeah, the health class must be public as well, I guess. So now we are pretty much ready, and now to move on to the textures. So here we will draw the arena and now name it layers. We will draw the arena layers, and all we have to do is just to loop through them. nothing really hard. Yeah, so use our trusty for each iteration, for each texture in layers, maybe texture layers, yeah. And we will draw the texture at the game rectangle with the color white. So you see, that's it. We draw pretty much everything in two lines of code, because this might be on one line. Yeah, in 2 lines of code we draw the entire pretty much, yeah, arena. Now to load it. I don't have it in the here, so I have to do that, so I'm sorry for that. So a new folder, name it subway, and add here items. I'm afraid that this might be done manually. It shouldn't be, because if you would make there a folder layers and then you would look through all of the content, it would do that automatically every single time, but it will be done in future. So Mortal Kombat PC arenas. Wow. Bin 86 debug custom arenas and subway. So here we load in the background, we load in a layer 2, and we loaded a train. We load also theme, which will be important, and phone anim 2, phone anim 1. So that's just when the phone is ringing. So put everything in. Yeah, and that's it. So now we are gonna load the arena. So here we have arena name, which will be not Forest of Death, but subway, and for the parents we need the textures. This will be quite harder to do, because we will have to compile this few times. No, yeah, that's enough. No, it isn't. In my opinion, a few more. Yeah, one more, I guess. So that's it. And now to change the names. Oh god, kidding me? Now to change the name, change the names, obviously. And yeah, so it's in arenas subway / subway, and it's a background. Then arenas layer 2, and then arenas no, arenas layer 2 will be here, and here will be the train, because if it will be drawn, it will be drawn then. And phone, let's say phone anim 1, arenas phone anim 1, which, because it will be just the phone booth with the phone that is not ringing yet. So off we go, and should run it. Also load the music maybe then. And arenas train was not found. Yes, I need to put there the subway. Oh god, I hate the loading. So here it should work. So and you see, it works. I've drawn the textures pretty much. So yeah, that's it. As well as the train, and this is it really, the map. So now we might want to add there some special effects. Which will be quite very hard. So this special effect will be different for each arena. So let's go to the animator manager. Okay, go to arena. Alright, and here we should create an array of animations, but we will need a structure. So public struct random events, name it random events, and after that write struct, and this is it. So random events struct. Inside will be public texture 2D. It will be a list of texture 2D. So it will be frames. It may be only one frame or whatever, but basically it will be, there will be animations just so, and here will be enum with the animation type. So public enum event name, and inside there will be names for various events. So we will write here subway train. So we know it will be in subway map, and that it will be a train, so then we have to define that. So event name. So that's it, and all we have to do now is to create a new list of those random events and name it random events array, let's say events array. So now we have our random events array. So now how to make it work? For this purpose we will need here a public void load random event load random event. So this is it, and oh god, I have an idea. We do not have to make it manually. We can here just make a enum map name, and because we have, oh god, we have here only one map yet. I'm missing there I'm not missing. We have here only one map, so it will be just subway, and here might be event name train. So when we are gonna load random event, it's gonna be a map name map. So the map it corresponds to, and event name event, and that will be pretty much it. Yes, no, it won't, sorry. And then params texture 2D frames. So this will be required. Now just load, make a new struct s equals new struct, load in the event name, which will be event, load in the map name, which is not here. So public map name map. So as dot map equals map as dot, and now the frames. So as dot frames dot add t, not this but t, and here we add for each iteration, for each texture to t in frames. Okay, so this is it, and now we have to load the random event map name. Well, load random event, not map name, god damn it. Load random event. So go to Arena Manager, and now when here we load the arena. Wow. Hold on. We should parse here the content manager. That will be really best. Wow, think about it. So, no, we have to specify in every single. Yeah. So, are you kidding me? So yes, we load the layers. So we put here a arena dot map name map, which will be put to the arena. So we should have here a public map name, so really to know what map is it, so on. So load arenas. So here, if we go to load arena, it should return us the arena, and we might be able to change it then. So it here returns the arena, the A pretty much, and it's added to an array. So first of all, we have to a dot map, change this variable to the map we set, and we load the arena, which loads, let's name it load arena layers. That will be best. And here will be also, no, it won't. Okay, so now we've got it. So arena manager load arena layers. So here we have the map name, so it will be the subway. Display name will be subway. It may be later on drawn, I have no idea. And then we draw the textures here. But now we have to load the random events, which will be done by taking the arena object we have got from the constructor and just change it. So arena dot and now load random event, and the map name is subway. This is not, what the fuck, I don't really have to put here the name because we have it like an object. I'm stupid, I know. So this events will be every single time corresponding to the arena object, really. So load random event, and now the event will be train params texture 2D frames. So here will be a one texture, which will be this one, the train, and we've got it. As well, we should load the random event for the phone, so when the phone will be really playing, not playing, god damn it, when the phone will be ringing, then it's gonna shake and so on. So we load the animation, and we have to specify here a new event name. So the event name will be train phone, train and phone. So event name dot phone. And now we go to the arena, and when it's loaded here, the random event, we have here the update method, and we now just have to realize how often will it be. So how often will the random event take place. So here will be int milliseconds time. So the time, I have to make here a summary. So this will be the time time after which the event will take place. So no random. So not random. So yes, and here to the random event struct we put here public int time. I don't really write here the milliseconds, time milliseconds or stuff like that, because it's quite automatically that everything here I'm doing it in milliseconds. In my opinion, it's really the best way how to do that. So as dot, and now time equals the milliseconds time, and here we will put one more public bool is random, and we will do it quite easily. So if milliseconds time equals -1, then s dot is random will be true. So this will be optional parameter, and off we go. So now to modify this, the train will be let's say the time will be, I don't know, 30 seconds, so no, 20 seconds. Well, just to test it, I have to test it, so 10 seconds, so 10,000, and the phone, let's say 10 seconds as well, so it will be it. So that's it, and now just move on to the update. What we will do, we will be looping through all of the random events in the random events array. So for each random event struct event, let's say, no fucking keyword, in random events array. And now quite vital part will take place. So one more thing we will need, and that's here a public bool is activated. It will be false by default, really, obviously. So now we will loop through the events, really, and we have to make here a timer as well. So public int timer. Shouldn't it be in the random event struct? Yes, it should. So just move it into the structure. So here will be the timer. So we will loop and for each, and now the event dot timer plus equals the time that we don't have here, game time time. So it will be time dot millisecond elapsed game time dot milliseconds, and that's it. Wow, we can't change it in the for each. God damn it. So yeah, basically just for int I equals 0, I smaller than random events array dot length or count, and I is increasing. So now random events array with the I index dot event, no timer. plus equals the time. What's wrong? Cannot modify? Oh, it's a list. God damn it. Fuck this. Okay, make it an array. Fucking lists. Why they can't be modified? Yeah. So make an array of these, and we will have to resize it when loading, I guess. No. Yeah, there must be a problem because wow. So we are loading here the events. Yeah, struct s dot. Yes, we have to add it. I forgot to add it. God damn it. So we resize the random events array. Array. Well, why? Dot resize. Ref. The array. Just fast length plus 1. And give it the values length minus 1, so the last item in here we will give there the structure we just created, and that's it. So now we write here length, and we increase the timer. Now we have to check whether it's a time to make the event, really. So if random events array timer is bigger than random events array dot time, so timer or time. Wow, I'm stupid. Let's make it time. So then the animation will take a place, and in this case all we have to do just is to change the is activated variable to true, and then it will be drawn. There might be a problem if it is random. So if is random, then we are gonna do it other way, and then we are gonna continue because continue. We would get an error because some of those variables are not set if it is random. So that's it, and yeah, now if it is random we should think about some system that will make it fair enough. Well, I have no idea yet. There should be some maximum time or minimum time. So yeah. So current arena update, we parse the game time, and that's it. So here we have the draw. We draw the arena layers, and now we should draw the events. So now we can loop through the events. Where is it? Random events array. Struct in random events array. We can loop through it, and it will be quite more tricky because there is a lot of stuff to do. So if not the structure, if the animation is just not activated, then it's gonna continue because that's it. Else it is activated, and we should pretty much draw that. So now we should put here some switch. So switch struct dot event name, and now we just have to define that. So here will be, let's say, the train. So case train, case event name dot train. God damn it. And he will be break. So in the case of train, it will be just a little bit trickier. All we have to do, because when I go to the subway and show you the train, you see that the train has a same width as the map. So there might be drawn only 2 trains at one time. Well, and that will be enough. So if this train moves, there might be another part of the train. I might show you showing it again. Hold on. Yeah. So when you see, every single time, it doesn't really matter, only 2 pictures will be required, because then only just 1 train will be drawn. So that's it. And now just think about it. So definitely we should put there the location. So there might be public int x and y. Those are 0 by default, which is pretty cool because we need it to be 0. For this purpose I need only x, so why to put there y? So the x. Now we are just going to draw the train. So if it is train, then there will be sprite batch dot draw, and we will draw the struct dot frames, and it will be frames 0. We can rely on it because the train contains only one animation, one picture that's just set, and we will draw it to a game rectangle. Well, we won't. We will make here a new rectangle, and we will draw it on x, which is in the struct. So struct dot x, and then to a y, which is the game rectangle dot y, to width, which is game rectangle dot width, and to height, which is game rectangle height. So you see that nothing really changes. Now about this, the struct x. We have to draw another train if I mean, if the one train is one wagon, or I don't know how to call that one, yeah, when it is no longer, when the x is just changed, alright, it's not 0, then we should draw another train behind it. So if struct dot, this is not good, alright, all those conditions should be in update. I will move it there later on, but I just need to do the work, make it work really. If the x is bigger than, let's say, 5 pixels, then we are gonna draw another train. Now just think about the x. The x will be pretty much the struct x, 0 minus the width. And now you maybe don't understand me, but let me show you. Imagine that here is the end of the okay, the end of this window is end of our, let's say that this window is the window we see in game, alright? That's the game window we have. When the train is here, it's drawn. When it is here, we will draw another train. Oh, let's say that our window is this, alright? We draw another train here. So at the x minus the width of the train. So it will not be drawn, but as the x will increase, it will dive in to our window. It doesn't really matter because the drawing method just does it without any problem. So it draws that. So this should be it, and of course, well, okay, let's try that. I hope it will work. We have a problem here. T is the frames are null. So let's say that s dot frames is a new list of whatever. So that's it, and in 10 seconds there should be drawn a train. It's not. Yes. Oh, nice. It works. That's pretty cool. Yes. The X location is changed really fast. Where is it changed? It is not changed. Are you kidding me? So now it is activated, and we will here make another condition. So if the random events array is activated, then we will make here a switch. Yeah, we will switch the name really. So if it is a train, we will just if it is a train, yes, there is a time. So let's say that if it is train, that we change its location. So x is increasing, and if the x will be bigger than pretty much the game1 dot variables dot width whole window rectangle width, if it would be bigger, then we reset the x to 0 and it starts from the beginning really. So I'm not sure, but it might make the effect of the train. So that's it, and now we should make those variables a little bit easier to understand, because I'm just losing myself in it. So let's rename it to a start time, and this will be renamed to start time timer. We will put those together, so it will be here. We also copy them here and rename it from the start time timer. Let's have here a speed. Oh, speed timer. Speed timer. And here is a speed in milliseconds. Speed in milliseconds and speed timer. Oh, yes, so now if the event proceeds, then it's activated. And if it is activated, it's gonna increase the timer here for the frame switch. So just frame switch or whatever it is. Frame switch. So it just changes the speed timer. It increases it. And if the speed timer is bigger than speed in milliseconds, then we proceed to changing some further frames, maybe whatever. But we need to set the speed timer to 0 again. So as well as here, I guess. Yeah, here we set if the random event is not activated, then we will increase the timer. And if it goes to activation, we set the timer to 0 for future. So this is it, we run it. Yeah, we didn't set the speed. Oh god. So load random event, milliseconds time, start time milliseconds, to make it easier to understand. And here will be int speed in milliseconds. We will find our references and we change that. So the speed might be 200 and here the speed might be 200 as well. So run it. So now we fight, do whatever we want. Boom. Yeah, and you see it miraculously appeared. But there is a question, where's the other? Wow. Where's the other train? Oh, there is something terribly wrong. Okay, so let's debug it. Why do I make a mistake every single time somewhere? So if the x is bigger than, yes, it's gonna draw this with minus 0. Why 0? There is a problem. It should be struct.x minus the width. So now it should work. I'm sure it will work. So just mess around, kick him a few times. Wow. Yes, I also have a solution for, yeah, you see? Oh, here we go. Nice. Nice. God damn it, I did it. You see that? It works. but it doesn't come to the game fluently, so we should set the start x. So the x increases, so this is really bad. So yeah, the start x should be defined, so load random event, and here will be int start x will be -1, and if the start x will be still will be still -1, then the start x will be 0, like default, right? Oh, you just can put here 0. So it will be s dot start x. No, it's not there. So yeah, x. So s dot x equals start x. We find our references, and here we change that to start x, which is 0. So it will be the width of this, but it will be minus, really. So it will start. You will see the train will get there. Hopefully it's understandable. You will see that. So I will make the train go really faster. So the train is fast. It is supposed to be fast, and that's it. Wow. I'm really looking forward to it because yeah. So boom, boom. Wow. Here we go. Train is coming, but it is a really slow. I have no idea why is it so slow. Wow, are you kidding me? So maybe here is the speed in milliseconds. It is not set. Are you kidding me? Okay, so that's the problem. So set it. Why I always forget to set it? Speed in milliseconds equals speed in milliseconds. So off we go. And yes, I know that there is problem that it should be behind the pylons, but it will be solved. No worries. This is just... Why the fuck is it so slow? God damn it! So speed in milliseconds is set. So what the fuck is going on? Frame switch. So if the speed timer is 32 is bigger than... Yes, then it draws. Oh. So then it increases the x. Are you there is something really wrong, because so yeah, this one is I need the first one. Yeah, okay, we will debug it, no problem. So if it is activated, if it is not activated, it goes to start timer. It is activated, so yes. Speed timer, yeah. Speed timer is bigger than speed in milliseconds. Wow. So I really have to make it even lower number. So let's make it 0, really. Well, but it will be so fast, so we will see. So when the train comes, yeah, boom, come on, get up, you bitch. Oh my god. You must be kidding me. Whew. So, another solution. We will increase the x by some bigger value, so let's say 5. I don't want to wait for the train, really. Wow, this is fun, like playing with... Oh. God damn it. Yeah, this was fast. So, don't really... Okay, so... Load the random event, find our references, make it like 30 milliseconds. I want the train to really... Why? Okay, I change it to 1 millisecond so we won't wait 10 seconds. Wow. That's sick. Oh, this is miraculous. So here it draws just the X and draws the other one. Wow. Yeah, because there is 5. It should be plus equals 1, for example. No way. Fuck this shit. God damn it. Yeah, it's faster. So I have to increase the value by, let's say, to 15 maybe. It should be really fast. Yeah. Oh. You see that? Oh. You see that? Wow, god damn it. Nice. So really faster. Let's set it to 40. Wow, that will be really fast. Wow, believe me. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Woohoo! Wow, you see that? Do you see that? I did it. God damn it. Wow, that's awesome. But it should be really behind that. So now to set the number of wagons we want to have. So just I would like to parse it here. So random event struct public. I have to check in a dictionary how to call one word, because wagon, carriage, yeah, that's it, carriage. So now the number of carriages. So public int number of carriages. And now used for train. So we put here int train number of carriages. So now s dot carriages equals train number of carriages, and now to count it. So it will be an update method again. So you see that if the x is bigger than the width, we set the x to 0, which means that the next carriage is really coming. So as well, struck. Yeah, I have to refer to this. So this dot number of carriages increases. And now if the number of carriages um, wow, I have to set two variables. God damn it. That will be a hell lot of variables, really. So public int number of carriages counter, which will be the counter we will be increasing. So, oh my god, fuck off. God damn it. So, number of carriages, let's say, 9 maybe, that would be it. 9 carriages. So that's it. And here it doesn't really matter, so I put here -1 because it will not check for the carriages anyways. So, number of carriages, god damn it. Yeah, here is the update. So we increase the number of carriages counter. So number of carriages counter. And if the number of carriages counter is bigger than the number of carriages, then we know that pretty much it's done, because yeah, the train is done. So if I turn off the animation, it will just screw. Oh, yes. But I will try it. Let's maybe it will work. So it will be set to false. And for future, we will set the number of carriages counter to 0. What? Optional. Oh. Yeah. There is no reason for making here optional parameters, because I can't use them anyways, because here is the params. So, and we see that the train is coming. Yeah, it lags. So another glitch to solve. So it's activated. Yes, because we had to wait for the train, really. yes. So now let's have a look for the load random event, and here we set 1 millisecond. So let's say that we will wait 30 seconds, 30,000. So we might I really like this combo. That's pretty cool. Boom. Yeah, that's the jump. I wanted to make the character jump, but it's not done yet. God damn it. So again, done that too. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Boom. Off you go, you bitch. Well, so the train should be here. Yeah. And it disappears. Well, but I don't understand why there are not 9 carriages. Wow, god damn it. So let's look to the update. So if the X is bigger, yeah, here is the problem. Obviously. Then we set the X to 0. Yes. Mm. So that's it. Yeah, train is here, and yeah, it maybe had 9 carriages. So that's it. Now to make it draw behind the pylons. No. First, here will be one important thing. To make it go out really. So maybe it should draw. Yeah, we will add here new variable. So public bool is last carriage going. So this will be if not to add any more carriages. So if the last carriage is going. So here we will set the last carriage is going to true. Dot last carriage is going will be set to true. And now if it gets once again to this, and if the last carriage will be going, so it will be true, then we know that the animation completely should be ended. So random events is last carriage going will be set to false. We always have to set the variables back, and also it will not be activated anymore. So and we want to break from this. So that's it. And we will also refer to it. So here when we are drawing, so if the struct x is bigger than 5 and not struct dot last carriage, and if not struct dot last carriage is going, then it's gonna draw the next one. So now it should work, hopefully. Yeah, I should run a music as well. I will also make a music with you, and then well, I will end it. The train should be here. Wow, that's pissing me off. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. Yeah, and you see it works. Nice one. So yeah, that's it. It just went off. Now I just want to make it really faster, so I would increase the location by 60 maybe, and I make the event, no references. I make the event to a 1 second, really. So you see that the train is going. It's faster, but not enough. So I really need to make it fast. Yeah, so here let's try plus 230, and it should be really fast, hopefully. Oh, you see that? Oh, god damn it. That's pretty much it. Nice one. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have done it. Yes. Wow, awesome. This was awesome. So, go to the loading and here set it. We will be waiting maybe 30 seconds. I think that's pretty decent. So 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds. Save it all, build it, and now I will make a music with you, and then I will end this video and upload it. So we see that here in Subway there is a theme that should be loaded to the arena as well. So load arenas, and audio. Here is a audio manager. Well, I should load it here. So why to load it inside? No, I will load it into arena. Why just trouble? So into arena, let's make here a variable public sound effect theme, and yeah, so we will have to load the sound effect as well. So go to load map, where we are loading the map. What the hell? That's loaded from the arena manager, I guess. So here, sound effect theme, and now a dot theme equals theme, and that's it. So now we have to just parse there some theme. Load arena layers. So it's Subway, and the theme, so it will be content load. No, I have no idea how to do this properly. I will be thinking about it. This is not really cleanest way. So sound effect, arena Subway theme, and yes, so when the arena will be shown, which is done I don't know where, so here maybe in main menu, when we click on the start button, we pause the audio of the main menu and we should play the audio of the arena. So arenas dot arena manager dot current arena dot, and now we should get to the theme. Nice. So we will parse it to the audio dot audio manager dot play audio, and it will be arenas arena manager and the theme. So that's it. Now it should play the theme for us. It shouldn't. File contains are you kidding me? What the hell? I thought it's a VMA. Why? God damn it. Well, at least I will show you how to make music for the games, which will be pretty much important as well. and then I will really end the video because I'm hungry. Yeah. So go to PC. Well, go to Mortal Kombat folder if you've got it, and here to resources custom. So here I have here the music, arenas maybe, subway. Here is it. So I thought it's a. Why is it VMA? Well, so I will run it. Hopefully you hear it. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we create a new project in Sony Vegas right here, if you have the Sony Vegas, and we put there the theme, the music. Now we select this, the entire thing. We press File, Render As, and we select VAV, wave file. Here in custom you can change the quality, but the XNA accepts only pretty much the default one. So you may change it, but that's a lot of work, and then it tells you that it doesn't accept the well, I mean the hertz ratio or something. So yeah, it's really best to make it like default. Don't really be afraid of that's theme. Don't really be afraid of quality loss, because really maybe when you are making a video it is important, but in those wave files it's not important so much. So move it here, and we've got it. Do not save the projects, it's not necessary. So now when I run it, yeah, it works. So we have to add it to the subway like an existing item, add the theme there, and off we go. So okay, enjoy the game, and as always, if you like the series, if you want more videos, like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask us on our Facebook page. And yes, enjoy the Mortal Kombat game written in C# and XNA. So you see that it pretty much works, and yes, so see you next time.